In this video, we will show you how to replace your fog light cover on this Honda Accord. This will be mounted directly to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To do this, we will have to make our way underneath the front of the vehicle, and you may have to safely raise and support it to do so. Underneath the front corner of the vehicle is where we're going to have to gain access. You'll find that you have a 10mm headed bolt along the forward area here, and if you were to follow that panel along the bumper cover, you'll also find that you have a small push clip. To remove push clips, typically you would remove the center to unlock it, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. You can use a trim tool or a screwdriver for this, whatever works best for you. Now we'll take this panel and we'll gently flex it up and out of our way. Now with that panel out of the way, we have a clear view of the backside here. You should find that you have 5 locking clips. Typically when you pop 4 of them free, the 5th one will just slide out of place. To release these, go ahead and press in on the center and gently start pressing this out of the bumper cover. There we are. Now we can install our brand new fog lamp cover. We'll align our locking tabs with the corresponding holes in the bumper cover itself. Gently press it in. Make sure it's locked in. Now we'll tuck this back down into its original position and put in our mounting hardware. Okay friend, we fully installed our fog lamp cover on our vehicle. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.